I'm going to use this lovely eyeshadow by Huda Beauty. This is Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions, and look at the colors, guys. These are the beautiful ruby warm toned colors. So I'm going to use this color as the transition shade first. Then I'm gonna use this color below my transition shade. Take the transition shade to blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna define a darker crease with this dark shade over here. Use this shader brush, spray some setting spray onto this. Now I'm gonna put this sparkly ruby cherry color. Take this dark color onto my waterline. And we'll just remove all the fallouts from the eye makeup. So going to use my all-time favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade 4N1 Shale Beige. Set my foundation with a little bit of powder. Now I'm going to use this, my favorite Benetint on my cheeks. This Bobbi Brown Shimmer Break have all the bronzy shades for the intense skin tone. I'm gonna use this from this brush to all my high points of my face. Oh, you see that glow? Just my nose and my chin. I'm using this Quickie Contour Stick by Benefit to contour my cheeks and jawline. I'm going to top my lips with this lovely shade, which is Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Trophy Vibe. So I love this Huda Beauty shade Trophy Vibe. I also have the full size of this shade. So yeah, I'm also planning a Huda Beauty full length lip color video for you guys. So go check that out. Do my hairs and come back. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my Instagram, and also to participate in the ongoing giveaways. There are 2 ongoing giveaways, one on my YouTube, one on my Instagram, so don't forget to participate in that. Until we meet next time, take good care of yourself, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.